Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our No Facts channel. Today, we have something really eye-opening and thought-provoking for you. 15 shocking facts about Israel and Palestine. So, grab your favorite snack and let's get started. To truly understand the situation, we need to start with some historical context. Fact number 1. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict began in the mid-20th century, with roots stretching far back in history. Have happened. Fact number 2, the British Mandate in Palestine played a major role in shaping the region, and many of the problems we see today. Now, let's take a closer look at the conflict zones themselves. Fact number 3, the Gaza Strip is one of the most densely populated areas on the planet, with more than 2 million people living in a space smaller than the suburbs of some cities. Living in. Fact number 4, the West Bank, on the other hand, has been a hotbed of tension for decades, with Israeli settlements sprawling. The refugee crisis is another heartbreaking aspect of this conflict. Fact number 5, there are millions of Palestinian refugees, many of whom have been living in camps for generations. Now, let's review the peacemaking efforts. Fact number 6, the Oslo Accords were a series of agreements aimed at establishing peace between Israel and Palestine. Fact number 7, unfortunately, these agreements have yet to lead to lasting peace. The conflict deeply affects the daily lives of both Israelis and Palestinians. Fact number 8, checkpoints and barriers are part of daily life in the West Bank, restricting movement. Fact number 9, the conflict has had a profound psychological impact on the people living in these areas. The world is watching, and international players are involved. Fact number 10, the United Nations has passed numerous resolutions trying to deal with the situation. Fact number 11, the conflict has sparked worldwide debate and action, with passionate advocates on both sides. Ongoing challenges. Fact number 12, issues such as water rights and access to resources remain a source of tension. Fact number 13, the status of Jerusalem is a particularly contentious issue. Hope for the future. Despite all the challenges, there is still hope. Fact number 14, many individuals and organizations are working tirelessly for peace and understanding. Fact number 15, it's vital for all of us to stay informed and engaged because lasting solutions start with awareness. We wrapped up our journey with these 15 facts about Israel and Palestine. It's a complex and deeply emotional issue, but by understanding the facts, we can all promote peace and solutions. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to No Facts for more thought-provoking content. And as always, remember that empathy and dialogue are powerful tools. Find peace. Be curious, be compassionate. Until next time, take care.